Hi, I'm Turquoise, and this is Tungky, a platform that helps brands and buyers to verify product authenticity using a blockchain and NFC technology. Our mission is to fight counterfeiting in Indonesia and beyond by turning physical products into tamper-proof digital assets, or what we call real-world asset, on chain. Let me show you how we are reinventing trust using one product at a time. So, before we show you what Tunki is, let's talk about the real world problem we are solving. In Indonesia, counterfeit products are everywhere, from fashion to cosmetic to supplements and even the electronics. Even international agencies like the US Trade Representative have flagged markets like Mangadua has a global hotspots for fakes. The worst part is most people can't tell what the real product or fake product anymore. And because of that, trust was gone. But isn't just a street market issue, it's a national economic crisis. In 2020 alone, Indonesia lost 291 trillion rupiah because of counterfeit. That's almost 20 billion USD just from counterfeit products. And it's not just about money. Consumers pay premium price for the dangerous fake goods. And because of that, brands and WMKM lost a reputation margins and a global competitiveness. The real issue is there's no trust, no transparency, and no proof. And that's exactly what Tunki is here to restore. To solve this, we created Tunki, a secure end-to-end authentication ecosystem built for the physical world. Brands, including our local UMKM, can now mint NFTs that represent their real-world products. These digital assets live on the blockchain as a tamper-proof proof of authenticity and ownership. Each product is tagged with an NFC or QR code. So when the buyer scan it, they are taken directly to a trusted web page showing the product full history, ownership, brands, verification, even visual proof. Then no more guesswork, no more fake tags, and no more scams. With Tunki, we are bringing transparency, traceability, and trust to every product directly in the hand of both the maker and the buyer. Now, about our target user. Tunki serves 3K user groups in Indonesia. First one, 30 million UMKM, which represents 99% of business and drives 61 of GDP, many of which sell in the fashion, cosmetics, and electronic sectors. Under threat from a counterfeiting, despite being a digitally active on platform like a Tokopedia and Shopee, they need low-cost, scalable ways to prove product authenticity. And second, a million of online buyers and collectors, with Indonesia e-commerce market hitting 68.5 billion in 2024 and 69 of consumers shopping online monthly. Buyers' trust is essential. Tools like Shopee, Lazada thrive because consumers crave assurance, particularly in the fashion, beauty, and collectibles. In the racing sneaker resale and collector market, authentication is not optional, it's expected. The third are platform administrators. Ensure onboarding brand verification and blockchain integrity, keeping Tonki scalable and secure. Together, these personas from a trusted ecosystem, OMPM and brands establish authenticity, buyers verify confidently, and admin maintain platform credibility and compliance. S- So the market opportunity isn't just theoretical, it's massive, measurable, and right in front of us. If we capture just 1% of Indonesia UMKM, we unlock over 300,000 verified sellers by year 4. And every onboarded brand bringing hundreds to thousands of product needing to authentication. growing your or minting volume exponentially with trusted integrations into platforms like a Tokopedia, Shopee, and logistic providers, plus B2B partnership, we can scale fast and meet a very real demand, restoring trust in every online transaction. For business model, Tunki runs on a hybrid model. Brands pay a simple monthly, like a subscription, and in return they get a pool of Tunki tokens or TGT to mine their product. This gives us a predictability MRR while keeping per mine economics under control. Each mine uses a token, and if a brand wants to mine more than their plan allows, they can simply top up by purchase extra tokens. Behind the scenes, we use account abstraction so brands don't deal with the wallets or gas fees. Everything is abstracted into a seamless Web3 experience. It's a business model that's familiar to brands but powered by Web3, unlocking scalability and token utility at the same time. So, here's our simple demo.
Hello everyone, my name is Brian. Today I want to demo about our application. So in our application, the UX is still bad, but we already finished the MVP feature. So let's start. So as a brand owner, imagine I am as a brand owner want to register to our platform, Tungky. Okay, we just log in. So we log in using account abstraction. So we just need to use Gmail. So this is good for onboarding Web2 user. Okay, this is my wallet now. Let's say company name is Anak Chunguk. We can randomize Anak Chunguk 2 and then random. Let's say google.com and then Brian phone number. We can randomize and then yep, we can choose logo here. Okay, maybe this as our logo. And then, yeah, agree, submit registration. Oops, we should use maybe a HTTPS. Okay, okay, submitting, and then we wait. So, when the brand owner register, we already implement the guest sponsor. No need to pay gas for brand owner and user. Okay, already registered. So, after the brand register, we should wait because there's admin who will this the admin will approve the brand owner. So the admin will check the legality of the brand. So we already not implemented yet, not yet, but will in the future. Let's say okay, this brand is legal in Indonesia, and we approve. Okay. Also, admin no need gas fee too. Success approve, and then yep, we go here. We go back to dashboard. Okay, we already. So this is the user dashboard and this is the brand dashboard. So let's go to brand because after we register we can mint the NFT. So in this process, every brand owner will have a different smart contract in this. So because of that, the serial number. Imagine if the brand A and brand B have the serial number, it will be clash, right? Because the same wallet. I mean, same smart contract. So because of that, we implement the different smart contract. So let's say we use serial number AAA 100, and this is we will hash this to become the big int, big integer. So let's say shoe, golden shoe, and then NFT image. We find where are they? My shoe. This is my shoe. Okay, we can say we can use straight like this golden, and then yep, we go in NFT. So basically, in every brand owner will automatically have 30 coupon after they register. So we can use one coupon. So now my coupon is 29, and then when the brand owner want to mint, they need to buy some coupon. One mint equal one coupon. Okay, so now this is my pre-mint NFT here. As you can see, we already pre-mint. The status is the pre-mint because we want to buyer is the first address who mint in the blockchain, yeah. And then after we pre-mint this, we can generate the authentication, I mean the authentication URL generated. Okay, for now, let's say I already buy some shoes, that's golden shoes, and I already get the NFC card to claim my own NFT. So let's say we use the NFT and NFC, and then open, login. Okay, choose an account, and then yes, this is what I already buy, and then I can claim. Okay, now I already claim the NFT. So, after I claim the NFT, okay, after I claim the NFT, the text, the description is tell you that you are the owner of this NFT product. And then when I use the other account, the text is will be different, like this. Let's say Harkon Links. He is not the owner, but you are not the owner of this NFT product. Just like that. Okay? Okay, now after I claim the NFT, I can see my own NFT in this platform. Like, okay, shoes. So, imagine I am not very familiar, I'm new to the blockchain ecosystem. And as you can see, this embedded wallet, right? After I log in with Google, and let's say they want to transfer my shoes and do some secondary sell. I want to sell my shoes to other with the higher value. So I can use transfer NFT, and then let's say, okay, let's say I want to transfer it to my own wallet here, and then type shoes and confirm and transfer. Okay, sending. All right. So now after I send my NFT, there will be gone. All right. So this is what I get here. As you can see, this is my NFT. I already get this.
Okay, this is our future roadmap. We are building in fast, focused stage. We already have the MVP ready, including a minting NFC connection and abstracted wallets. In the next quarter, we'll begin our OMKIN pilot, testing live feedback and usability. By mid 2026, we plan to launch publicly with subscriptions, token payments, and real NFC kits. Then we'll move into scale integrating marketplace, building resale and tracking features, and opening the platform to enterprise use case. With the right support, this roadmap takes us from MVP to real-world revenue and traction within just uh, 18 months. Okay, so here's a snapshot of Tunki business model in one slide. We're solving a critical problem here. Indonesia is losing trillion of rupiah to counterfeit goods. Consumer can verify authenticity, and UMKM and local brands are paying the price in lost trust, revenue, and reputation. Our solution? is a blockchain-powered system that issues verifiable, tamper-proof certificates for every physical product. We pair this with NFC or QR tags that customers can scan instantly even on marketplace to verify a product's origin. What makes us unique is how we make product level authenticity easy and accessible to even small sellers. No more paper certificates or fake stickers. Tungky is real time, on chain, and can be fake. Our first customers are UMKM in the fashion, cosmetics, and collectibles industry, where originality matters most. We'll grow through partnership with local incubator, online marketplace, and collector. Communicates communicates while selling to brands via augmenting best pricing model and optional subscription. We are not just a product, we are building a network of trust. Every item tagged with Tsunki make their Internet of Things more honest. Tunki is powered by a cutting-edge Web3 stack that's both developer-friendly and enterprise-ready. On-chain, we use a Solidity, Foundry, and Hardhat to build robust smart contract that accord authenticity data directly on the list network. We use Ponder to index a query real-time contract, even enabling dashboard product history and trust signal without relying on third parties. For the front end, we have integrated WalkMe to ensure smooth wallet UX, but with account abstraction, we hide the complexity so brands don't have to touch wallets or gas. Onboarding and minting is supported by third web, giving us a plug and play infrastructure to scale across marketplace and use case from NFC tech fashion to collectible sneakers. In short, we are combining battle-tested Ethereum tools with a streamlined developer platform to bring secure, seamless authenticity to real-world products. So this is our team. There's a three people like Syahid for as a front end developer, and me, Dimas Kusuma as a full stack developer, then Brian as a smart contract developer and business analyst. And just that from the Chunky, thank you for your time, and I hope you enjoy.